Okay, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some barbecue chicken, but first I'm going to fry it before I barbecue it. I'm going to fry it in order to get a coat. Alright, and then I'm going to put it into the oven. So this chicken has been washed and seasoned up. As you can see, I'm going to oil on the fire. So when I finish, so when this oil hot, I'm going to start. This is the flour. I'm going to put some black pepper and some cayenne pepper. I'm going to season up this flour. Alright? Stay tuned. I'm giving you step by step as to how I'm going to be doing this chicken. Yes, right guys, back again. You see this? This hay. If you could go and get this in any one of those restaurant supply store, this. Whenever you're baking and you could use this to clean off the whisk. This part. It will help to clean off the whisk part. Okay? And it's a non-stick, and this part is a non-stick. Alright. I'm going to take out this now. I just wanted to get a coat, right? This chicken in gonna fry through the bone. right. So see you when so now I'm going to take the last piece out. Now this part here, I'm gonna make a sauce, like a barbecue sauce. I'm gonna mix. This is some mango syrup that I have. All right. This is what we use: honey, barbecue sauce, lemon juice. Right. I'm gonna add everything into this with a little water, and I'm gonna boil all up. I must put a little salt to taste, and if you want spices, you could add some spice in it. It's your choice. Then I'm gonna add everything on into this chicken, and then put it into the oven to bake. Remember, I didn't fully cook this chicken. I have cooked it, and the reason for that is just for it a coating, right? So now I'm having the pot on the fire. I'm gonna squeeze some barbecue sauce, any one of your choice. There's the mango syrup. Oops. Okay. Honey, I'm not measuring this. You could use how much you want. Obviously, this is about 3 tablespoons, right? Stay tuned. I'm gonna add 1 bowl of water. This is the lemon juice. I don't want any seed to get in it. So this is one of the reasons I can squeeze it in the spoon. See seeds. So I'm gonna let this boil up. I'm gonna put some pepper flakes in this, and then I'm gonna taste it. Stay tuned. Salt. pepper flakes, 1 tablespoon. I'm gonna put a little sugar in here, optional. Let it boil up a little bit more. I'm gonna put a little bit more water and let it boil up, and then I'm gonna add it to this chicken. All right. As I said, I'm gonna add some more water, a tablespoon of sugar, and yes, stay tuned. Sugar, water, let it boil up a little for a minute or 1.5 minutes, and then I'm gonna put it. Yes.